So how does the Temu free gift work? But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So first off, let's go over to the Temu homepage. Over here, you can browse and purchase a wide variety of products. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on View. So once you're in the profile page, you can view your credit balance, offers, messages, orders, and more. Then, go to Gift Calendar as shown. Once you're here, tap on Pick Your Ultimate Reward. From here, choose your reward and tap on Pick below it. Tap on Pick again to confirm. After that, tap on Confirm to confirm your address for the reward. Now, tap on Place one order to get. Once you're done, tap on Checkout at the bottom right corner. Over here, choose the payment method you want to use and then tap on Checkout again. And that's it. That is exactly how Temu free gifts work.